Welcome back everybody. We are in question number 2 of exercise 1.5. It states that if k is equals to a, b, d, e, f and l is equals to b, c, g, d, g close inside bracket and m is equals to a, b, c, d, h, then find the following. The first part, K union L intersection M. The second part, K intersection L union M. The third part, K union L intersection K union M. The fourth part, K intersection L union K intersection M. And we have to verify the distributive law. Okay. So first, we write all the values of K, L, M as given in the question. Then we come to the first question, K union L intersection M. As you can see, there is a bracket. So it should be applied first. Then K union L intersection M. Hence, therefore, you can see that these two is second step. So first we find L intersection M. That is B, C, D, G intersection A, B, C, D, H. So the common element of both are B is common in both, C is common in both, D is common in both. These elements are common in both. So B, C, D. Next we have, coming to second step, K union L intersection M. After taking intersection, we write all the values of K union all the values of L intersection M. So as you can see here, A is common. A is A, B, C, D, E, F. Because in union we write all the elements, even if it comes one time. Next we are coming to second question, K intersection L union M. So first we find L union M. So we write all the sets of L union all the sets of M. Then we take union of it, B, C, D, G, A, H. Then K intersection L union M. So K we have A, B, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, G, H. So A is common in both, B is common in both, D is common in both. That's it. Then no other element is common, hence A, B, D. Next we are coming to the third part of the question. K union L intersection K union M. So this contains two brackets, so we will do in three steps. So first K union L, A, B, D, E, F, union B, C, D, G, and we find the union of it. Then K union M, A, B, D, E, F, union A, B, C, D, H. Then we find union of it. Then we find intersection of these two. So as you can see, A is common in both, B is common in both, C is common in both, D, E, again F. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Everything is common in both. Next, the fourth question. K intersection L union K intersection M. So we divide this into three steps. That is K intersection L first, K intersection M, and then K intersection L union K intersection M. So first we find K intersection L. So A, B, D, E, F intersection B, C, D, G. So when we find this intersection, we see that B is common in both and D is common in both. Next we are coming to K intersection M. A, B, D, E, F intersection A, B, C, D, H. So as you can see, A, B, D is common in both. A, B, D. Then we find union of it. So K intersection L was B, D, and K intersection M was A, B, D. Hence we find union of it. So we write all the elements A, B, D. Now when we come over to the distributive law, K union L intersection M, K union L intersection K union M, that is union over intersection. We see that K, the left hand side we found already, that is from the first answer. So we can represent here A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F. Then right hand side, K union L intersection K union M, that is A B C D E F, that we have from the third option. The answer is A B C D E F, hence both are equal, hence proved. Because in the same question if it is asked, we can mention distributive law, intersection over union. So K intersection L union M equal to K intersection L union K intersection M. So as you can see from the second part, we can find A, B, D, that is K intersection L union M is nothing but A, B, D. From the second option we know the answer of part of it. Then the right hand side, K intersection L union K intersection M is equals to A, B, D from the fourth part. Hence we prove this. Now the third question is, if A is equals to x belongs to Z, the value of x lies between -2 and 4, B belongs to whole number where x is less than equal to 5, C is already given. So when A we are given with Z, Z is integer. So from -2 to 4 we will not include -2 but we will include 4. Hence therefore A is equals to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we take B intersection C, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intersection -4, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4. So the common element in this are 0, 2, 3 and 4. Next we are coming to A union B intersection C. So as you can see, left hand side we are doing in 2 steps. So the second step states this: -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 union 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus the union element are 1, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Now we are coming to right hand side, A union B. So we write all the sets of A union all the sets of B, and as you can see we have to write all the elements in A union B. Again A union C, we write all the sets of A union all the sets of C. Then we have to write all the elements occurring in both. When we take intersection of it, you can see 1 is common in both, -1 is common in both, 0, 2, 3, 4 is common in both. Hence therefore we say that both the values, the second step and the fifth step, both the answers are equal. 1, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Hence LHS equal to RHS. So we prove. Thank you.